Moving on to the exam style question of measures taken by the British following the War of Independence. So first of all, as we have discussed earlier as well, that the first three parts are based on choose the best. A, after 1857, the British transferred power in India from, there are four options. Part B is one major policy introduced by the British after 1857 was, again four options. Then part C, after the revolt, the British decided to, again four options. So first A, B, C has 1 mark. Moving on to part D, which is a state question. State 2 measures taken by the British to strengthen their control over India after 1857, 2 marks. E part says describe two ways in which the relationship between the British and the Indians changed after the War of Independence. So again, as I told you earlier, that describe two ways question is basically the ways and the change that it brought. So this question is basically dependent on like one way, the change that it has brought, so 2 marks, then another way and the change that it has brought, so 4 marks. Part F is why did the British introduce new policies in India after the War of Independence, so 6-mark question. 2 well explained reasons, and even if you have given one well developed reason, one simple explanation, so you will get 6 marks. Part G is British measures taken after the War of Independence were mainly aimed at strengthening control rather than improving relations with Indians. So you need to evaluate these two statements that are given. It has 10 marks. Again, for a 10-mark question, the mark scheme says that you need to write 2 developed reasons. So on that you will get 9 marks. And with 1 comparative conclusion, so you will get completely 10 out of 10. Very soon I'm going to be sharing the mark scheme of the question that I have designed with you, inshallah, very soon.